Hi, I'm Mike Prokop. Today I'd like to explain the concept of duty cycle as it relates to AC resistance welding. In general, duty cycle is a term used to define the percentage of time a machine is running during a specified period. In resistance welding, the duty cycle is defined by the percentage of time the welding transformer is passing current over a 1-minute period. Let's look at how this is calculated. For an AC resistance welding system, we multiply the number of welds per minute by the number of cycles in each weld and divide that by 60 times the AC line frequency. 60 is a conversion factor of seconds per minute, and the line frequency in North America is 60 Hertz. This value is then multiplied by 100 to express duty cycle as a percent. Let's consider the example where we have 12 welds per minute as N, and 8 cycles of weld time as T. Plugging the numbers into the equation on the previous slide, we calculate a duty cycle of 2.67%. It's important to note changes to the number of welds per minute or cycles per weld will affect the duty cycle. You should also note that the duty cycle for an AC resistance welding transformer is calculated differently than that of a mid-frequency direct current or MFDC power supply. Thank you for watching this presentation. We hope it was beneficial to you. If you have further questions, please contact us or visit us on our website for more educational content.